To fix Windows 11 stuck on restart screen, first press and hold the power button to shut down your PC. Then press the power button again to start your PC. If your PC does not start by pressing the power button and it still shows the restart screen, then press and hold the Windows key on your keyboard. Then press X key on your keyboard, and after that press the power button until your PC shut down. After this, start your PC again and check if you are still facing the same issue or not. If you are still getting the same issue, then let's try with the Windows recovery. Press and hold Shift key on your keyboard, then click on Start, then restart your PC. Keep holding the Shift key until you see a screen like this. Here, you need to click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Quick Machine Recovery. This will diagnose your PC and start the repair. If startup repair does not resolve the issue, then we can simply uninstall the latest update. You need to be in the same screen, then click on Troubleshoot, again click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, select Uninstall Updates. Here, you need to confirm whether it's a quality update or the latest feature updates. After confirming, simply select your option and uninstall the updates. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. If not, do let us know in the comment section. See you in the next video.